Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. My name is ProAcid, and today I'm going to go over how to create towns on our server. I thought to make this early on before the server even opens to the public, so people can understand and know how to make a town. Because we had towns in the past that a lot of issues were going on with people not setting up the towns right, and the plots were not set up correctly, and plots were overlapping, and that were not done right. That's the point. So I'll show you how to make a town and how it will all work and how it all goes down. So first of all, before you make a town, you have to choose where you want your town to be. So this is our new map. It's all custom made map, and it's a huge, massive map that will we can hold a lot of towns. So first of all, you gotta pick where you want your town to be, and if you're a donor, you get a free town. If you're not a donor and you're a member, you need to make the money to get a free town. All this information will be on the site and on the server for how much you need to pay per town and stuff like that. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you a few tips. Do not make towns right next to each other. If you make towns right next to each other, you're not going to be able to have enough space for your town to expand, and you're going to be stopping other people's towns to be expanded. And if your town was created after the town next to you, your town will be deleted. So do not make us delete your town, and set it up right. Keep a good amount of distance between each town. For example, there's a town here, another town could be somewhere here or somewhere down here. Keep a good amount of distance. This is a massive amount of land, so you gotta understand also like how much land there is, so you can understand like the distance between them. But let's say you want to start a town, and let's say I want to start a town. Where should I start a town? I already have a town, so I have another account. Let's say I want to start my town here. You'll have to get here by teleporting or asking an admin, or actually just walking to here if there's no admins. So the position to here is 63,000. No, 6,300 and 2,300. Let's just go there. Okay, hello guys. Welcome to the other side of the Minecraft. Now we're on Minecraft. Haha. Okay, so if you are a member, you want to join a town. I'll go through that pretty quickly since we're already into Towny. You're gonna do /town and then list. That will show you all the towns that we have on the server so far, and those are the town. My town is that one. Okay. The towns that have open right to their name, you do not need the mayor to allow you to join the town. But if for example, if you can join open towns by doing town, join, and then the name of the town, like Solar Town in this case. But I'm not going to join because I'm going to create my own and I don't want to join. But that's how you will join the town if it's open. If it's not open, you will have to manually contact the mayor or an assistant of that town to add you. Once you have joined the town, you will need to get a plot. I'll be going how to set up plots if you're a mayor and how to claim a plot if you're a member. So let's get started. First of all, let's say you... Oh, my Minecraft just gave me some lag right there. Okay, if you are a mayor and you want to set up your town, you'll need to have the amount of money required, and you will go to the area. We already found the area on the previous part of this video, so I'm gonna start with the town. What up with Minecraft? Why is it spiking really bad? Alright, so first of all, to make a town, you have to do T or town, new, and then the name of the town. I'm gonna create this one named tutorial. Okay, so floating apple, that's me as of right now. Created a new town called tutorial. Now you will need to get some items. So either have some items on you or get some items to set some blocks to know where your town is. Towny claims area by chunks. Chunks are in the 16 by 16 plots. So right now you saw I'm in wilderness. Now I'm back in tutorial wilderness. So you need to find where the edge is. So right now I'm inside, I'm outside. So I know that's one edge. That's one edge, and that's the corner. So we're gonna set up one block there, and then 16 blocks across. This way and that way should be the other corner. But let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see if we step out. It will be wilderness. Good. And then another 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see if we did it right. Yes. I'm teaching you how to count, guys. Okay? Well, once you have this one set up, you know every chunk you claim, as much area, as more as you claim, it will all be in this format of 16 by 16. I'm just going creative to make this easier for myself. So we just created, and this is your town spawn. If you do /t spawn and your players do this, this is where they will teleport at the position where you were standing. Towny does not set up the 16 by 16 at the position you are standing. It sets them up by what the chunk is. So this chunk right here, this was the chunk. So even if you were standing right here, it will still claim this area. It would not claim around you. It would claim around the land of the chunks, like the map, whatever it's called. So now, if you want to claim more land, you will need to go into the wilderness, and you need to be attached to this. So, like for example, you cannot go 16 out. You can do that with outposts, but I do not recommend you claim outposts because they are really confusing and they do mess up the terrain. So it needs to be touching. You need to do /town claim. And good. This was, I had to mention this earlier. So to claim stuff in your town, you need money in your town. Your town has its own bank. It's not dependent on you. It's dependent on how much the town has. Now you can collect taxes from people, or you can sell your plots to the players, so you can make money for your town. To see how much, to see all your information about your town, you just do /town. That will give you every single information about your town as of right now. It will say what your town board says. So when people join your town, that's what it will tell them. When they log out and log in, that's the message they will see. You can set that by doing /town set board. Let's just say, hello and welcome to this tutorial. So that's what they will see now when they log in and out of the server. The town size, as of right now, I have 8 plots in total. The more people you have, the more plots you'll get, and I only have claimed 1. The permission, this means R stands for residence, and I forgot what the other one says. I think it's ally, so there's an A, and then there is not stranger, I think outsider, I think. But as of right now, you have set it that to build, residents can build, residents can destroy, residents can switch, and the residents can use items. Explosions are set to false, the fire spread is set to false, and mob spawns are set to false. And your bank as of right now has $0. Daily upkeep, you need $10 a day to keep your town up and running. And I'm the mayor, and residents only me. To add more residents, you do town add, and the name. Name is not registered because he's not here as of right now. None of those names matched. He's not here. Then the person would have to do town accept to join your town. What else am I missing here? Okay, let's add money to the town. Town deposit, and then the amount. Let's just add $1,000 to my town. So my town right now has $1,000, and to claim, you need $500, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just do town now and see how much we have. And we have, oh no, it's actually $25 to claim. And it's $500 to claim an outpost, and it's $25 to claim a plot. So right now we expanded our region by 16 more. Now one trick here, your region, your next 16 do not start from this block, but they rather start from the next block. So it's the same thing, but now 16 more blocks that way. So you'll end up having something like this. And I'll just go all the way at the end and find where this region ends. There you go, right here. And what we do is usually we set up these plots with stuff like this, so it's easier for you to know, and it's easier for your player to know as well. Once you have the area that you want to give to a person, so let's say you set up all your town, you build your town, let's call it your spawn right here, your town spawn, and you have enough plots and enough money, and you want to give this plot to someone in your town. You go into this plot. It doesn't matter where you are. Towny will not work from your location in the chunk. It doesn't matter. But if you're in this area, it will be claiming this chunk. If you're in this area, it will claim this chunk. I mean, it will be talking, like, not talking, but it will be, what's called, it will be working with this plot. So we do /town, no, we do /plot, and you put for sale, one word, or FS stands for, and then you put the amount. Let's say I want to put this up for $100. Now you'll see when I get out and back in, this plot will be up for sale for $100. Now a town resident in my town can come up to this plot right here, and they can do /plot claim, and boom, I successfully claimed this plot. This is my plot now. None of the other residents on this town can touch my plot. When I get in and out, I see that I own it, and that's pretty much it. If I want other people to build in my town, you do /resident or res add name. This will add friend, I think. Add friend, maybe. Friend add. It's res friend add the name. He's not gonna find that person, and if you don't want that person anymore, you just do remove, and you will remove that person. If you're a mayor and you want to have town assistants, town assistants as of right now can help you claim plots. They can help you give out plots, and then they can set the prices for the plots. You are the one who can kick people and who can ban people from your town, though. So to add an assistant, let me just show you. Town mayor will show all the mayor commands. So you can see right now, you can take money, you can claim, you can unclaim, you can add residents, you can kick residents, you can set your town spawn, you can buy, you can toggle some settings, and you can rank add and rank remove. So you do /town rank add, then name, and then you do assistant. And name is not registered because he's not a player in your town. If it was, he will be added as an assistant, and if you want to remove, you do the same thing, but with remove here. There you go. What else there is to say? There's so much things, but mostly this is the things we need to know to set up a town that without plots overlapping. Remember that create these plots in 16 by 16 before you even give out stuff, so you know by yourself what areas you can claim. Because if you create a plot right here, but you give the player supposedly an area something like this, and then the person next to you will have somebody else's plot, and your town will just be a mess, and it will not be protected. And the main purpose of this is to have a protected and useful town. Yeah, so let's see who can set up the perfect and the best towns around here. I guess if you need more help, the admins are online and they're more than willing to help you, and I'll be more online as well. You can leave comments on this video if you need help with Towny, and